next example is question number 5. Question number 5, that is exercise 4.6. Exercise 4.6. Exercise 4.6. Question number 5. Question number 5 is if A is equal to matrix 4 8 minus 2 minus 4, prove that A square is equal to 0. Prove that A square is equal to 0. Prove that A square is equal to 0. Let what is mean by A square? A square means A into A. A square means A into A. Now listen, the answer is we have to find A square. We have to find A square. That is we have to find A into A. That is, what is matrix A? That is 4 8 minus 2 minus 2. Now what is the matrix A? 4 8 minus 2 minus 2. Matrix multiplication done by which method? Matrix multiplication done by which method? That is row by column method. That is row by column method. 4 4s are 16. 8 2s are 16. That is minus 16. Row by column. 8 चौक 32. 8 चौक 32. That is minus 30. And the matrix multiplication done by which method? Row by column. Second row, first column. 4 दूने 8. 4 दूने 8 plus 8. Then the matrix multiplication done by which method? Row by column method. Second row. 8 दूने 16. 4 चौक 16. The answer is 16 minus 16 0. 32 minus 32 0. 8 minus 8 0. 16 minus 16 0. This is equal to 0. A square is equal to hence अतिशय सोपं एक्झाम्पल होतं बाळांनो. अतिशय सोपं एक्झाम्पल. आलं लक्षात? Now the question number 6. This is very simple example for 2 marks. आपलं लेक्चर नंबर 22 सुरू आहे. लेक्चर नंबर 22. Okay? Now the next example, that is question number 6. Next question number 6. Very fine. A into BC is equal to AB into C. In each of the following case. आता बायचा 2 क्वेश्चन आहेत. तर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन मी सॉल्व करून देतो. सेकंड क्वेश्चन तुम्ही होमवर्क करायचा. ओके. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता मी सॉल्व करून देणार आहे. तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन काय बा? A ची व्हॅल्यू काय? A is equal to 101 101 230 230 045 045. नंतर B ची व्हॅल्यू आहे, that is 2 minus 2 minus 1 1, that is 0 3, that is 0 3. C ची व्हॅल्यू आहे, that is 3 2 minus 1, that is 2 0 minus 2, that is 2 0 minus 2. And we have to check that A into BC is equal to AB into C, right? Now let's answer A into BC form, and we have to find LHS. That is equal to A into BC. Okay, what is A? A is what? That is 1 0 1 2 3 0, that is 0 4 5, that is A. And what is BC? BC or B into C, that is B. What is B? that is 2 minus 2 minus 1 1 0 3. And what is C? C is what? That is 3 2 minus 1 2 0 minus 1. Okay, we have to first solve these two. Okay, वहाँ एक असर्स, that is 1 0 1, that is 2 3 0 0 4 5. And some multiplication करो. Matrix multiplied by which method? Row by column method. Row by column. Row by column. 3 दुने 6, 2 दुने 4, 6 minus 4. Row by column. 2 2 जा 4, minus 2 0 जा 0. नंतर निधे काय झाले 0, right now minus 0. नंतर row by column. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2 minus 2 plus 4. नंतर रो बाय कॉलम. नंतर काय रो बाय कॉलम. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. 2 into 1, that is plus 2. रो बाय कॉलम. minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. 1 into 0, that is 0. नंतर रो बाय कॉलम. minus 1 plus 1. 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2. नंतर रो बाय कॉलम. 3 into 0, that is 0. 3 2 जा 6. नंतर रो बाय कॉलम. 0 into 2, that is 0. 3 into 0, that is 0. Row by column. 0 into minus 1, that is 0. 3 2 minus 6 minus 6. A matrix तशीच, that is 1 0 1, that is 2 3 0, that is 0 4 5 into 6 minus 4 क्या ना 2. 4 minus 0, that is 4, that is 2, that is minus 1, that is minus 2, that is minus 1, that is 6 0, that is minus 6. Now the matrix multiplication done by which method? Row by column. You know that. Row by column. Now row by column, that is 1 into 2, that is 2. 0 into minus 1, that is 0. 1 into 6, that is plus 6. Row by column. The first row, second row. 4 into 1, that is 4. 0 into minus 2, that is 0. 1 into 0, that is 0. The row by third column. 2 into 1, that is 2. Minus 1 into 0, that is 0. Minus 6 into 1, that is minus 6. Okay. Second row, first column. 2 into 2, that is 4. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. 0 into 6, that is plus 0. And the second row, second column. 4 दुने 8. That is 3 दुने 6. 0 into 0, that is plus 0. The row by column, that is 2 दुने 4. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. 0 into minus 1, that is plus 0. And the row by column 0 into 2, that is 0. 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4. 7 पंचे 30. And this and this. 0. 4 दुने 8. 0 into 5, that is plus 0. And the row by column 0. minus 1 into 4 is 4. 7 पंचे 30. Now the final answer is angle 8 4 minus 4, that is plus 1, that is 2, that is 1, 26, that is minus 8, that is minus 34, minus 4. This is LHS. This is LHS. Now we have to solve. That is RHS. We have to solve that is RHS. Let's listen. आता बघा RHS solve करू. The RHS is AB into C. AB into C. What is AB? A is what? That is 1 0 1. That is 2 3 0. That is 0 4 5. Into B. B is what? B is what? 2 minus 2 minus 1 1 0 3. What is C? C is what? That is 3 2 minus 1. That is 2 0 minus 1. Okay, that is matrix multiply done by which method? A row by column. A row by column, that is row by column. 2 into 1, that is 2 plus 0 plus 0. The row by column. 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2 plus 0 plus 3. Then the row by column. 2 to 4 minus 3 plus 0. Row by second column में तूने 4 3 1 3 3 0 0. Then the row by column. Row by column, that is 0 into 2, that is 0 minus 4 plus 0. Row by column 0. 4 1 4 5 3 15. Okay, and the second matrix is, that is 3 2 2 minus 1 2 0 minus 2. And this matrix is, that is 2, that is 1, that is 1, that is minus 1, that is minus 4, and then 4 into 3 2 minus 1 2 0 minus 2. Matrix multiplication done by which method? Row by column, that is row by column. Row by column. 2 into 3 7, 2 into 1, that is plus 2. Row by second column पे तूने 4 plus 0, and the row by third column, that is minus 1 minus 2. नंतर row by second row first column 3 1 3 2 1 row by column, that is 2 plus 0. The row by column, that is minus 1 plus 2. The row by column 4 3 12 19 38. बराबर. Row by column 4 8 plus 0. The row by third column, that is 4 minus 19, and the answer is 8 4 minus 4 1 2 1, or 38 minus 12, that is 26. That is minus 8. That is minus 15. That is minus 34. 4 1 4 19 38 minus 34. Yes. And let's check. This is LHS. 4 8 4 minus 4 1 2 1 26 minus 34. 26 minus 34. This is LHS. This is RHS. We have to solve this LHS and RHS, and both are equal. That is, we have to prove that LHS equal to RHS. We have to prove that. We have to prove that this LHS become RHS. This is very easy sum. Okay. आता हे सोपं example बघा. Now, the next example is the next example. Question number 7. Question number 7. Verify that A into B plus C, A into B plus C is equal to AB plus BC, AB plus BC in each of the following. In each of the following. In each of the following. The first case is A is equal to 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 3. The matrix P is minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2. The matrix C is 4 1 2 minus 1 2 minus 1. यातलं बाळा ना फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल मी सॉल्व करतो, सेकंड एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही होमवर्क करायचं. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 मधलं पण सेकंड तुम्ही सॉल्व करायचं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 मधलं पण सेकंड. मी फर्स्ट सॉल्व करतो, सेकंड तुम्ही होमवर्क करायचं. ओके. लक्ष जाता. We have to prove that. We have to prove that this LHS equal to RHS. Now what is LHS? Answer. What is LHS? LHS का मान A into का मान B plus C. Okay? A. What is A? That is 4. That is minus 2. That is 2. That is 3. And B plus C. What is B? B is minus 1, 1, 3 minus 2. Plus what is C? That is 4, 1, 2 minus 1. Okay? Okay. Then 4 minus 2, 2, 3. And go on addition. 4 minus 1, that is minus 3, plus 3. That is 3. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 3 plus 2, that is 5. Minus 2 plus minus 1, that is minus 3. That is minus 2 plus minus 1, that is minus 3. Now this matrix multiplied by which method? Row by column. 4 3 12, 5 दूने 10, 4 दूने 8, 3 दूने 6, 3 दूने 6, 5 3 15, 2 दूने 4, 3 3 9. 12 minus 10, that is 2. 8 8 8 16, 14, 8 7 14, 15 7 21. 4 minus 9, that is minus 5. This is LHS. This is LHS. Now we have to solve RHS. RHS. What is RHS? RHS is AB plus BC. AB plus BC. What is A? What is A? 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2, 3. What is B? What is B? Minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2. Plus what is B? What is B? Minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2. What is C? What is C? 4, 1. 4, 1, 2 minus 1. Now we have to solve this. Matrix multiplied done by which method? Row by column. 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4. 3 into 6, 4 1 4, 8 plus 4. Okay. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. 3 3 no. That is 2 minus 3 into 6 plus row by column. 4 into minus 1, that is minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 1 row by 4 3 12, 2 into 4 3 into 3 plus 2. Okay, that is minus 10, that is 8, that is 7, that is minus 4, that is minus 2, 8, 5. Now addition. Minus 10 minus 12, that is minus 12. 8 plus minus, that is 6. 8 and 16, that is 15. That is 1, 2, 14, 15. This not become A into B plus C is not equal to AB plus BC. AB, BC. Okay? We have to check that this become AB or BC. AB and AC. Something printing mistake is there. AB, A into B plus C. Now I will check that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus BC. Make the question check. Verify that A into B plus C, AB plus BC in each of the following cases. B plus C, AB plus AC is there. AB plus AC is there. Not BC, AB plus AC. AB plus AC. वहाँ पे AB plus AC. Here is A. Here is A. What is A? A is what? 4 minus 2. That is 2, 3. Okay? मला पुढचं सगळं चेंज करायला लागेल. पाय प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक झाली आपली, दॅट इज AB प्लस AC होती, एकदम मी BC घेतलं होतं. क्वेश्चन मध्ये पण तेच आहे, पण त्याने लास्टला त्यांनी म्हटलंय आता ह्याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन काय येईल चेक करून बघू. आता AB AC मॅट्रिक्स मल्टिप्लाय रो बाय कॉलम 4 चौक 16 2 दुने 4 4 1 4 प्लस 2 4 दुने 8 3 दुने 6 2 1 2 माइनस 3 इथं 16 वजा 4 12 4 2 6 8 6 14 8 6 14 that is -1 minus 10 12 किती झाले that is 2 झाले 14 हे झाले 21 बरोबर आहे आणि -1 LHS इक्वल टू RH LHS इक्वल टू आता शिके 2 झालं AB प्लस AC होतं बघा AB प्लस काय होतं AC इज देयर ओके. AB plus AC is there. Alakshan, the next example is question number 8. Question number 7 मध्ये second तुम्ही homework करायचं. The next example is question number 8. Question number 8. If A is equal to that is 1 minus 2 5 6 1 minus 2 5 6 and B is equal to 3 minus 1 3 7 3 minus 1 3 7. Find AB minus 2i. Find AB minus 2i where I is unit matrix of order. Where I is unit matrix of order. I is unit matrix of order. तो आपल्याला काय दिलंय आपल्याला A दिलंय आपल्याला B दिलंय आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं AB minus 2i. We have to find AB minus 2i. Okay, what is it? 1 minus 2 5 6. What is B? 3 minus 1 3 7 minus 2 into what is I? I is what? I is unit matrix of order. Unit matrix में तुम्हाला शोधूया. Unit matrix म्हणजे identity matrix. ऑफ ऑर्डर 2 म्हणजे 1 0 0 1 आणि ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 काय असते 3 I3 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 लक्षात येईल तुमच्या. ओके मग चला मॅट्रिक्स मल्टिप्लाय डन बाय विच मेथड रो बाय कॉलम 3 into 1 that is 3 3 2 6 minus 1 7 2 14 5 3 15 6 3 18 5 1 5 7 7 42 minus 2002 हे 2 ने सगळ्यांना मल्टिप्लाय केला आतमध्ये. आता आन्सर काय आहे सांगा. दॅट इज -3 3 minus 6 that is -3 -1 -14 that is -15 15 8 8 5 13 मग चालेल 33 42 minus 5 that is 37 minus 2002 okay that is equal to minus 3 minus 2 that is minus 5 minus 15 minus 0 that is minus 15 33 minus 0 that is 33 and 37 minus 2 that is 35 and this is the matrix AB minus 2i that is AB minus 2i. This is the answer. लक्षात अतिशय सोपं एक्झाम्पल बघा. The next question is question number 9. Question number 9. Okay. Question number 9 is question number 9. If A is equal to 4, 3, 2 minus 1, 2, 0, B is equal to 1, 2 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 2. We'll show that AB is non-singular. AB is non-singular. AB is non-singular. ती सिंग्युलर आहे का नॉन सिंग्युलर हे चेक करायच्या आधी पहिल्यांदा AB शोधणं गरजेचं आहे. आणि सिंग्युलर नॉन सिंग्युलरचा विषय कसा असतो, डिटर्मिनंट जिचा 0 येतो ती सिंग्युलर असते, जिचा डिटर्मिनंट 0 येत नाही ती काय असते, नॉन सिंग्युलर. त्याच्या अगोदर फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू फाइंड AB. व्हॉट इज A? 4, 3, 2 minus 1, 2, 0. What is B? That is 1, 2 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 2. Matrix multiply done by which method? Row by column. 4 into 1, that is 4. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. 2 into 1, that is plus 2. But row by column. 4 into 2, that is 8. 3 into 0, that is 0. 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. And the row by column. Minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Plus 0. Row by column. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. 2 into 0, that is 0. 0 into minus 2, that is 0. Okay? The answer is 4 minus 1 plus 2, that is 3. Okay? 8 minus 4, that is 4. Minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3. That is minus 2. This is AB. Now, determinant of AB. We have to check determinant of it. Determinant of 3, 4, minus 3, minus 2. And we have to solve this determinant. That is equal to 3 9 6, 4 3 12 plus 12. The answer is 6. The answer is 6. The determinant of AB is equal to 6. The determinant of AB is not equal to 0. Is not equal to 0. तो 0 नाही आहे. डिटरमिनंट जर 0 नाही म्हणजे ती सिंग्युलर नाही, म्हणजे ती कोण आहे, नॉन सिंग्युलर. म्हणून मॅट्रिक्स AB is non-singular. Is non-singular matrix. Is non-singular matrix. Is non-singular matrix. Alright, this is very simple example. Now remaining part आपण next lecture मध्ये पाहूया. Okay.